Hello guys, today I want to show you my unboxing of my newly purchased digital thermometer from Medisana brand. As you can see, okay, it's a German brand, okay, since 1982. I bought it from Taobao China for around $13. And as you can see, I am a big fan of digital thermometer with a big screen. Yes, I already purchased one from Omro, as you can see. But this one, it has a very unique design. The screen is very big and it's very small. It's very slim. Okay, let's see what outside the box. Okay, here it has some protective cover. Okay, it, it is in model number FDTH-V0-13. Okay, let's see what inside the box. Okay, so this is the user manual, all written in China. I hope there is some English, but it doesn't have. Okay, and here it is, nothing else. Here it has some protective cover. Okay, up. Okay, it's open like this. Okay, the button is green. Okay, there is a green button, as you can see, on and off button. The screen is very big and it's the rigid one, it's not the soft one. Okay, let's see how it perform. Okay, I will try to compare it with my my Omrong MC6A2. Okay, I already made a video for this one. You can find in my video list. Okay, let's see, let's go. Okay, 1399. Okay, let's try with Omrong. Okay, okay, as you can see, this one is very similar. It only around 02 or 03 different. Okay, I will try to use this one in my work day during at the hospital. Let's and see how it performs. Thank you all and have a nice weekend. Bye.